The human body, a perfectly engineered machine. And the moment we introduce something as simple as grapes, this machine begins a powerful internal transformation. Picture an anatomical human, organs fully visible, holding a glass of grape juice. The moment the first sip reaches the mouth, the journey begins. The grapes enter the stomach, mixing with digestive acids. The liquid breaks down into microscopic, glowing nutrient particles, tiny energy capsules ready to power the body. As the intestines activate, these particles are absorbed through the villi and transferred into the bloodstream, like hundreds of bright vehicles merging onto a high-speed highway. First stop, the brain. Antioxidants from grapes spark neural activity, lighting up synapses, protecting brain cells, and boosting focus, clarity, and mental sharpness. Next, the nutrients flow toward the muscles. Muscle fibers begin to glow as energy spreads through them, supporting strength, recovery, and physical endurance. Then comes the gut. Grape polyphenols feed the good bacteria, creating a glowing microbiome. Digestion becomes smoother, absorption becomes better, and the gut environment stabilizes. Soon, the entire body lights up in unison, the heart pumping stronger, lungs energized, organs glowing, and every cell receiving a wave of fresh vitality. But everything has a darker side. Eating too many grapes can irritate the stomach, causing inflammation and discomfort. Some people may face allergic reactions, red, inflamed skin, or sensitivity responses triggered by grape compounds. Excess grapes can push too much natural sugar into the bloodstream, causing a rapid glucose spike, a burst of energy followed by a crash. And when the body can't keep up, energy fades, organs dim, and overall fatigue takes over. This is the full journey of grapes inside the human body, a small fruit creating a cinematic adventure within us.